Well, got a package today from Lock Picking Lebowski. It's the prize I won for his question. I thought I'd open it on camera. And it looks like there's another little lock in here as well. It looks like a little lock too in here. There's a Medico. This is a lock that I won. It's a pretty cool looking. It's a pretty cool lock. I'm trying to open it without damaging the box too much. Looks like it's like this goes in here. Maybe it goes the other way. See if this other one works. I'm about to probably read out how this works. My guess is it doesn't look like I'm doing something wrong here. Oh, you gotta push the card. You gotta push the card like this to open it. It's pretty cool. There's the card. I wonder if I was take a regular card. I don't know if I took a regular credit card type thing and put holes in it like that, and it would work to open. That's pretty cool. Anyway, thank you, Lock Picking Lebowski, for having a contest and for this package. Take care, everyone. Bye.